Hi guys, it's Dallas with your 2-minute tip for today. Today we're going to talk about service profession. What does that mean? That means that you have chosen a job that revolves around servicing a customer. That's right, you servicing someone. So I got a few points that's going to help you be successful in your journey. First thing, put your feelings to the side. What you want to do is put your feelings and your emotions to the side because your customer and or your salon, theirs should be first to make sure they have the best experience. The next thing, keep your word. Be a man or a woman of your word. Listen, my father told me when I was young is that, son, the only thing you have is your word. Stand on it, and if you say you're going to do something, do it. I can tell you now, after years later, I've made $1 million business plans and $1 million decisions with just a handshake because I keep my word. The next thing is be punctual. If your appointment time is at 8 o'clock, you need to get there at 7:30, 7:15 if you need be. Don't walk in with your client. You're probably going, well, that's early. Listen, when you get to the salon, you are going to talk to your friends. You're going to check your Instagram. You're going to have you a little bit of coffee. You're going to eat a little bit of bagel or whatever you're eating. You're going to do a couple of text messages, and then you're going to get ready for your customer while she's sitting there looking at you. That's so unprofessional. So please make sure that you're there early, have everything there, and when he or she walks in, your chair is open. You're like, sweetie, darling, come on in. Been waiting on you. Makes them feel special. Trust me, it does. And lastly, be a lifelong learner. What that means is this industry is continually evolving and changing and growing. So don't just stop with whatever education you got in 1972, 82, 92, 2002, whatever, whenever you graduated and say, okay, I'm done. I got my license or my 1,500 hours or whatever amount of hours you needed and say, I'm done. You're not. Invest in yourself. Do educational classes. Go online. That's the way that you're going to grow your business, by making sure that you're able to give each and every one of your guests the current trends and everything that's happening right now and be abreast of what's going on in the industry. So there are my tips for you. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.